Good morning, class. This is our first official lesson of learning online. This week we will be reading a story called Navajo Code Talkers. Follow along as I read out your spelling words and the word being used in a sentence. View the definition of each. The first word is nation. The president will speak to the nation tonight. Special. They always made a special effort at Christmas. As an adjective, as a noun, the Oscars is a special night for Hollywood. Lotion. Itching can be relieved with calamine lotion. Mansion. There is an old mansion on the hill. Precious. That artwork is precious. As a noun, don't be frightened by my precious child. That's actually an adjective. Don't be frightened by my precious child. Creation. This picture is a creation of a great artist. Vacation. She took a vacation in the south of France. I was vacationing in Europe with my family. Used as a verb. Tension. The parachute keeps the cable under great tension as it drops from the sky. A mind that is affected by stress or tension cannot think as clearly. Especially. I love all the colors, especially yellow. Motion. It's dangerous to stand when the bus is in motion. As a noun, as a verb, he made hand motions to get our attention. Tradition. Every culture has their special tradition. Gracious. The princess had the most gracious smile. Even though she fell, she finished her routine and was gracious to everyone. Extension. I'm going to need an extension on my project. Addition. She began with simple arithmetic addition and then subtraction. Caution. Anyone receiving a strange package should exercise extreme caution. Caution when driving or walking on this path. Official. A policeman is a government official. The handshake has made the agreement official. Solution. Tom has been racking his brain for a solution to the problem. Suspension. School will remain on suspension for the rest of this month. Politician. Franklin is a politician in Washington. Portion. We all received the same portion. A portion of people have a balanced meal. Comprehension. Each chapter in the textbook is followed by about a dozen comprehension questions. Contraction. The miniature poodle is a contraction of the normal size of a poodle. Physician. The physician prescribed his patient some medicine and lots of rest. Artificial. Some outdoor soccer fields are made of artificial grass. Competition. This weekend is the running competition. Now you will go to your Reading Street notebook, turn to pages 273 and 278, complete those, and post them on Seesaw for me to approve. Happy learning!